back to Midwest Mood and Food. Today I thought I would unbox the CALPHALON Precision Air Fry. It's a countertop oven. I got it for a gift from my son, and I believe he got it at Target. But I'm not paid in any way, no paid sponsor, no affiliate marketing, any of that. It's just a gift from my son, and I thought I would unbox it for you today. So stay tuned for the CALPHALON Precision Air Fry. We'll be right back. Okay, so before we open it, I just wanted to give you a shot of what it says on the box here. Precision Air Fry, CALPHALON, and it says quartz heat technology delivers 40% more even heat. So we'll try that out. Faster preheat, turbo convection, and 8 cooking functions, extra large capacity, and easy clean interior. So we'll check all that out. I'll measure it and we'll be right back. All right, here we go. All right, there it goes here. You can see that. I will try to pull it out as best I can. All right. Oh, there's the front. And looks like this is the back here. You have some accessories, tray. We'll open that out in a minute. Take the styrofoam off. All right. Bottom here. Turn that around. Okay, here is the front. It's a really nice design, really nice shiny design here. Inside, here's your basket. That's for your air frying. Nice. Okay, and this must be your drip tray. And I believe they want you to wash all these before you use them, which we'll do that. Here's your drip tray. And then here's your heating elements. And your buttons over here, 2 dials. Okay, looks good. Let me open this part here. See what we have. Manual, of course, right here. Okay, another pan to use. Teflon, nice. And this looks like a rack. Really nice packaging. Okay, we'll put that in there. So let me read about this a little bit, and we'll wash the item and we'll get started. So let's look at the design of the countertop oven. It looks like the top portion here, it does get hot. It's got that sticker there, so you want to be careful with the top. The sides, I'm sure are the same way. It does have that little CALPHALON design there, and on this other side, same thing. It's got the little, looks like venting there, and then the CALPHALON logo there. Okay, before we get started, I'm going to give you some measurements real quick. So let's see, we're at about almost 19 inches across. So and deep is 12 inches deep. In height, we've got it about 12 as well. Did wipe everything down inside of the oven. I wiped everything down with a damp cloth. And dried it as well. They want you to wash it and dry it, just a damp cloth. And the crumb tray, I rinsed that, and the shelf. You can do either upper or lower. So it's just easy slide in and out. Most everything is done on the upper shelf, other than roasting and baking. They want that more on the lower shelf is what they said. So I've wiped everything down and dried it, and now I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Okay, I've just plugged it in, and it's a set temperature. This is your timing here. And I wanted to show you the 8 modes here for the oven. And it is pizza, bagel, toast, bake, air fry, broil, roast, and there at the bottom is defrost, if you could see that. You've got your 2 dials here, temp time, and then your modes, and then here's start and turbo convect, which this allows the fan to work harder, I believe, and get your things more crispy. And then here's your off button. So we are going to try something. I think we're going to try some bagels, and we'll see how it turns out. Now for bagels or toast, you don't need to preheat the oven. You just need to put your stuff in there and then start it. So we are gonna turn it to bagel. Okay, so it automatically sets it for 4 for the shade. But if you want darker or lighter toast or bagels, you wanna use the button down here, and you can see when I turn this button that it gets darker and it sets more seconds on the timer there. So it looks like it goes up to 7. So I will just keep it at 4 and see how that goes. Okay, so I'm gonna put the bagels in here. Again, I've got it on the upper level there. And I'm just gonna set it inside and shut that and start. Okay, there's about 25 seconds left, or counting down, and I just wanted to show you that both of the heating elements are on for this, the bottom and the top. So we'll see what this bagel looks like when we get it out. 9 seconds left, 8, 7. So we'll see what happens here. Okay, gives you a little sound there. So now we will open up the door here. Okay, I probably could have, you know, to make it a little darker, maybe higher than 4. But this is what they look like at 4. The bottom there and the top. And not too bad. Not too bad. So, okay, that's how that works. I'm gonna try to do some air frying as well, but I just wanted to show you the air fry, precision air fry countertop oven, CALPHALON. Looks like we will really like it. I really want to try it with pizza. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so now I've decided to do a frozen pizza. That's what I really want to see. Really want to see what happens with that. So I've got it out. I've put the rack on the lower position. That's what they prefer with pizza. So I put it on the lower position. I've got the pizza function button right there, so that's on pizza, and I'm gonna press start, and it looks like 400 degrees and then 7. Okay, as you can see, it's preheating, still preheating. The oven is on there. The top and the bottom elements are going. So okay, so it stopped preheating. We're all set. I'm gonna open the oven here and just stick this in. Again, it's just a regular frozen pizza. It's a 12-inch, And I was surprised, but it does fit right in there. That's a 12-inch. So I'll go ahead and start it. All right, everyone, it is done. And look at that. It looks really good, really good. So we are going to take this out. I like it. Looks like cheese is melted. It looks crispy. Okay, I'm gonna get the pizza cutter and see what it looks like. Okay, let's check out the bottom. All right, it's not bad. It looks good. Good crust. Okay, I'm happy with it. Awesome. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.